All right, so here's the deal. I still have my BOXYLUXE from December, so be it January, I know, we're gonna go ahead and go through it. So if you are interested in a try-on type, because this box has some good stuff in it from last month, if you wanna see what I got, stay tuned. So I didn't really even kind of do like an intro to this video, I guess, sort of, but a real A to K one, as I'd like to call it. But we're gonna go ahead and go through my BoxyCharm, and I'm gonna try this stuff as I'm going through to try to see if I can do, I don't think there's like a foundation or anything, but we're gonna try this stuff anyway. So this is the first thing in this month's, or actually last month's BoxyCharm. This is the LMS, and this is the Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. Now, this is soothing facial oil for fine lines and wrinkles. We'll see about that. And I also know that I got this rolly thing. I don't know what the technical term is. Cosmetics, clean, clinical, and luxurious. It's this little rolly. So I am going to put a few drops of this on. This says massage 3 to 4 drops over face and neck. Dang, just 3 to 4 drops. This bottle was like $80 or $90. That's if you actually purchase it outright. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm gonna rub this over my face. Oh yeah. She's very, very fragranced. If you don't like the smell of rose, then this definitely would not be for you. For some reason, I didn't really think it would be scented this heavily. I'm always kind of leery of skincare that has this much of a fragrance, I should say. So it feels nice on my hands, like it's almost like a quick drying oil. I am trying to get some of it off so I can use my little rolly thing here. So, oh, this feels nice. Huh, let's see. How are you supposed to use this? Other than, all right, so it says you can use it on your forehead by going up and down. Oh, I wonder if this takes care of all those lines. Your cheek. Move slightly from chin to eyes. The movement should be particularly gentle on sensitive skin. Well, my skin's gonna turn red no matter what, so let's just go for it. So from chin to eye. I guess this is to draw everything up. Your collarbone, which we're not gonna do that. Your upper arm underneath. Oh, you can use it on your arm, like underneath here. Although I wouldn't do it on your face and then your arm. Maybe a quick spritz of a cleanser in between. Your hand, you can do it on your neck, which it says gently roll up. I guess to pull everything up. Oh, will this take care of this right here? I can still smell this oil just a little bit, not too much though. So it does dissipate. If you are sensitive to fragrance, that could, I would say that that's probably gonna be a deal breaker for you. Okay, so these are 2 items. Did I get a card in this month's BoxyCharm? Okay, so this rolly thing, facial roller, $69. It better uplift my fatigued skin for $69, Lord. Oil, the LMS oil, $79, and this is for 15 mLs or 0.5 fluid ounces. So this is pretty tiny, like this is not that much. So far the box has definitely already paid for itself. The next thing that I got is a Your Hair wrap towel. Okay, so this is one of the wraps for your hair when you get out of the shower. I love these, especially when I do like a deep hydration on my hair. That will definitely be put to use because it is hair washing day. So this is the Ciate highlighter, and I only have a few things from Ciate, and I believe everything that I've received from Ciate is through BoxyCharm. And it says, what did I say that this was called? The confetti highlighter. Ooh, that's cute. Oh, I wonder what that's gonna look like. It's like, it's kind of like one of those that you would swirl your brush in to get the shade. Oh, I definitely want to, let's just, oh, okay, that's pretty. That's probably going to be a little too deep for my skin tone though. I don't know if you can see that or not. Let's see. But that's a beautiful color. That would actually be really pretty on your eyelids. This retails for $32. Whoa, okay. So it feels very nice. It blends out beautifully. So maybe with it blended, I actually may be able to do it if I go very light-handed. It's a beautiful highlighter though, and I do love a highlighter, so that's what it looks like blended. So I might be able to do that. It might just be a little bit too pinky, like a peachy pink, but we'll try it. I mean, the worst that happens is it doesn't work and I get to give it to somebody. Right. So next in my box, and I'm excited for this, one person ruined this surprise though on Twitter, and I don't know why people get pleasure out of ruining boxes, because like I follow BoxyCharm on Instagram, but I don't, like, I'm not subscribed for when they put up new things, because I know that they do leaks of their boxes and I like to be surprised. Maybe it's just me, but of course somebody had to ruin it. But we were given this Fairy Tale Storybook Cosmetics, and this is a makeup palette. It's so cute. It looks like a book. And Storybook Cosmetics, they have like the burn book for Mean Girls. They have several, but this is my first one and I'm pretty excited about this. And this is so freaking cute. Look at these colors. Those are just absolutely stunning colors. The blues in this look unbelievable. And that top row, I could definitely use that. And the Storybook Cosmetics, the Little Briar Rose palette, and that is $55. Okay. This is Power Up, a dual face setting mist. Ooh, I love a setting spray. Use under makeup to prep skin, over makeup to set your look, and throughout the day to refresh. Okay, so this is cruelty free and vegan. I wonder if it smells funny. Let's see. I hope not, because since, you know, I'm not buying any new ones, I'd like it to smell really good. So let's see, what's the, oh, okay, let me show you this. Like, if you look, it's like a layered, like, do you see that top layer? Like it's floating on the top. Set makeup and energize skin with this transforming electrolyte infused mist. Shake bottle to instantly activate ingredients and get ready to power up. Ooh, we're ready to power up, okay. Let's see. Okay, so then it kind of changes the color of it. So I guess that's how you know that you've mixed it. Ooh. Okay. It has a really fine mister on it. It definitely smells like an essential oil. It smells good, but I can't pick it out. And I'm not super knowledgeable about all of the ingredients because the ingredient list is really, really long. It smells very clean. It almost has like a citrusy smell to it. So I'm interested to see, let me just spray it over this highlighter to see what it makes it look like. Yeah, see, like there's droplets that are sitting right on top of my skin and I can see that. So they're not, so I'm wondering, maybe I just didn't have it shaken enough. So we'll definitely have to try that out. I hate trying new setting sprays because I'm so afraid they're gonna mess up my makeup, because that's a make or break. So this may actually be a nice base for makeup. Let me just try to spray it on my face again so it's not going everywhere. Okay, now the sprayer is acting kind of like it's drunk. It's like spraying out of just one side. we'll get back to that. And that's face spray is $32. So next I have this Too Faced, this is a High Shine Sparkling Lip Gloss. I actually do not own a lot of Too Faced products any longer. I used to really enjoy their products, but I've just kind of had an issue with the way that they were doing business. But their products do speak for themselves. I think the last thing I picked up was one of the chocolate milk Soleil bronzers. I think that's what it's called. And that's a hit. I love that. And I love the Born This Way foundation, but their latex lips are really good. I do like the latex lips. This is super glittery. This is in the color Crazy Rich. And this is straight up my alley. Oh, that's really pretty. It's like a pink gold shift. It's not as pigmented as I thought that it was going to be. It has like that peachy gold shift to it and pink, like a rose color, but it's very pretty. This would be really pretty like in the center of your lips for something. So we might try that. I mean, I can always use that in a tutorial somewhere, I'm sure. And it actually wipes clean off, so, or I lied, no it doesn't. Now I have little pink mica glitter all over me, but that's okay because I don't mind. That gloss is $21, so that's about on par for what I remember Too Faced being. The next thing in this box is this M Greengrass Dry Oil Spray. Fragrance is Beach Hair. This fast absorbing dry oil spray is formulated with a blend of high quality oils that quickly penetrate, delivering superior moisture, leaving skin soft, luminous without greasy, or without feeling greasy. Ooh, I'm gonna spray this on my hand. Let's see. Oh, good gosh. No wonder they don't want you. Okay, so it's like, it's definitely slick looking. It smells like that other spray. It smells very essential oily, like the lemongrass essential oil. That's what this one smells like. I'm gonna try to put it on the top of my hand and wipe some of this off. So dry oils are very mystifying to me. I feel like they go in and they leave your skin looking very luminous, but they don't actually dry, which I'm very confused about. So, I mean, you can see that it definitely gives like a very hydrated look. It smells good, but like it feels kind of greasy. So maybe it just needs to dry down a minute. So we'll give that a few minutes. This is $36. Okay. Layer with Greengrass Hand and Body for extra moisture. I don't think I need any more moisture. The smell is, it's strong. So this is a very fragranced collection that they sent this month, which normally I personally don't mind a lot of fragrance. I'm not very sensitive to it, but I know a lot of people are. So I'm kind of intrigued that they would send a lot of things that are heavily fragranced because so many people don't like that. So that's very interesting. And the last thing, I am so excited for this. This is my Holy Grail 100% face wash. I love this stuff. This is actually, I thought about canceling BoxyCharm. This is actually the reason that I did not cancel BoxyCharm before December, because I knew that we were getting this and I was gonna spend almost as much on the face cleanser as I was going to on the entire box. So I said, well, I might as well spend a few dollars more, get the whole box and the face cleanser. This is the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. I absolutely love this. This is my Holy Grail. It is so gentle. It gets everything off. It does not leave my face feeling tight or dry. It's just, it's wonderful. I love this. Now, I will say that I'm really sad to find out that this company is not cruelty free. So this could be my last love affair with this face cleanser. I thought that Fresh was cruelty-free. Apparently they are not, which is very sad for me. I am just trying to be a little more conscious of what I'm purchasing and what I'm using in my collection, and if it can be cruelty-free, then that's really what I would prefer to buy from this point forward. Although I do think I have a lot of stuff that actually is cruelty-free that I don't know about, but I saw somewhere, and I do need to look just to make sure. I do not see the Leaping Bunny anywhere on this though, so that does say to me that it is not cruelty free. If anybody from Fresh happens to watch this, which I know that's a long shot, I need you to do better. So I will be using this up, but I don't know if I'm going to be repurchasing it. That's just, it's really sad for me. That face cleanser is $48. So I will probably actually use this in an upcoming tutorial. Let me know from this palette what colors you would like me to use. That would be super helpful. Did you get this palette? Have you already created looks with it? Did you get the other one? I think that there was a mini in the regular BoxyCharm. So I would love to see any looks that you've created. What was your favorite product? Do you have any of these? Do you love them? Do you not like them? Especially the spray products. I'm super intrigued by this one. So I will be doing kind of like a report back, hopefully at the end of the month or maybe next month, as I'm using through these products, just to tell you what my updated opinion of these products are. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, I hope that you will consider subscribing. Please leave me a thumbs up, that does help me out, and comment below with what product you would like to try or what your favorite product from your BoxyCharm was this month. Thank you guys so much again for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.